Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's check the pulse of stock market. So as usual, we are going to analyze the Nifty 50 chart, and along with that, I will discuss some important global market, US indices, commodities, all about the global market update. So to know the Nifty 50 weekly levels, stay connected till then and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular stock market update and indices levels update. So first, let's discuss the global market. And I have opened the chart, and you can see this index, and you can see this is the Indian market and Indian stock market, even US indices also. So you can see that our Indian stock market was neutral on Friday. It was almost point 0.1, point 0.1. In this point 2 Nifty Bank was 0.2% up, and nothing very positive, yes, but nothing negative also. And if you see India VIX is minus 1.85%, which is quite good because the volatility is less. And TGI and S&P 500 both are S&P 500 almost neutral, but yes, TGI Dow Jones was little bit negative and 0.65% around. It was down on Friday, and Nasdaq was also neutral, 0.1% up. So we can see overall the even Indian stock market also and US market also was neutral, nothing positive, nothing negative. But yes, the things are going on like AI Fed meeting, which is scheduled in December, and these two three important event, which is actually which may give some trigger to Indian stock market also, global market also. So that we will see in December. I will update about that. There is some scarcity in the market that the Fed is not going to cut the rate this time, this meeting. So that we have to see in December. But overall, market scenario, market sentiment is looking neutral on last week on Friday. And if we check the important commodities, so that is also gold and silver and Brent oil, it has again come to the 4,000 around. 4,200 was high on Friday, and 4,000 is uh, LTP 4,000 around 4,100 we can say. Dollar uh, gold was trading on Friday, so which was actually 2% around, more than 2% was again down. After Diwali, it is sometime little bit up and down, but yes, it is continuously falling. Gold and silver, yellow and white metal, even you can see silver also trading around 50. Last week it was quite up, and it was 51 52 52 के ऊपर भी पहुंच गया था सिल्वर, but again it cooled off and came to the 50 level. 50 to 49 level means we can say 50 level, which is again quite good, but yes, high was 52 around. So silver also came down this week, and gold also. So gold is 2% down, and silver is 4% down. So this was overall negative. And if we see Brent oil, so Brent oil is still around 64, which is again a comfortable means cooling, declining. So not very negative from Brent oil. So Brent oil is $64.39 per barrel, which is actually giving good boost to all chemical stock, and especially the uh, paint stock like Asian Paints and others. So that because of Brent oil cooling down, the paint sector, even the stock Asian Paint is actually performing very good in last week, performed very good in last week. And overall commodity is good. Currency you can also check quickly. And here US dollar means INR against US dollar is trading at 88, which quite same like last week. So nothing is special. Yes, the high was 89 plus. So we need to watch that level of 89. It should not break this level, because the Indian rupee is actually uh, trading low against the US dollar. So overall, the short picture of the global market, we discussed everything in short, and we need to check all these things before the new week starting, which is very important to give a overview about the next week market, even especially Indian market. So we all have discussed all these things. Now quickly discuss the 50 chart, and you will see I have drawn all these three line. Even last week I drawn also. And I here again I'm showing the weekly picture of the Nifty 50, so that the long term view you can understand, like since last 1 month, more than 1 month, what is happening in Nifty 50. The breakout retesting I already discussed in last week also, that I'm going to continue in this week also, which is very important to update her about that कि after breakout क्या हुआ निफ्टी फिफ्टी में, which earlier I was supposed to update that कि ये अगर होता है तो क्या होता है, so that I will show in chart this cup and handle pattern I discussed. And here it was breakout, this trend line I have drawn, and here it was breakout which was successful, and here I shown that it is retesting. So this level was there, which last week it touched that, almost touched this trend line of retesting level. This line is retesting level, breakout level we can say. और ये लाइन पे इसने एग्जैक्टली आके सपोर्ट लिया, इट हैज टेकन सपोर्ट हियर ऑन दिस ट्रेंड लाइन at this retest level. And this week means last week, which I was actually I discussed, I mentioned that we need to watch here what is happening, and see that I'm updating that this level has not been broken by Nifty 50. It has taken support, took a very good reversal. I can say this is very good reversal, not a weak candle. This is a strong candle, and here it has taken support and going back again to this level. So you can see how beautifully it has given the breakout, retested for the three consecutively, means weeks it has retested 1 2 3, and even if this was fourth week. So for 3 week it retested, and from here fourth week it has given the reversal again. The 26,100 around, it is actually taking a halt here, 26,100, which is not very strong resistance, but yes, here it is taking 2 3 times it is taking resistance. But the important resistance will be the only all time high, which is 26,277 I can say. T 300 भी बोल सकते हैं, तो 26,280 around, it is a very a strong resistance. The all time high is 26,277. So we can say 26,280 300 around, again it will be it is going to face a resistance which is all time high. But till now, of course, it has not even tried to touch the all time high of 26,277. So we need to watch in next week that it is again going and touching this level, then taking a reversal from here, or it is going to break this level. And what actually going to do the Nifty 50, we need to watch closely next week. So this can be a prediction, a overall scenario we can predict for the next week. We need to see what is going to happen. And here we will check, okay. And this is the support again for me for the next week, 25,400 I can say. Yes, 25,400. And if it's breaking this, so this safer support of 25,100, a psychological support we can say 25,000 also, which I don't see it should go till this level, but yes, if it's going, the 25,000 will be a final, a very good short term support for the Nifty 50. 25,000, say 25,100. Need you should be mindful with the level of 25,000 and 25,100. मैं कह सकती हूँ 25,000 ही सेफर मान के चलते हैं, सो नीड टू वॉच ऑफ 25,000 ओनली इन केस इफ इट्स ब्रेकिंग दिस 25,400. So these two level is very very important support, and all time high is obviously a very good resistance for the Nifty 26,300 around. So we understood this pattern and the breakout retesting. Again, the what is Nifty 50 doing and going towards the all-time high. So we may touch in next week the all-time high. We should hope for this. We'll check definitely, and I'll update in next week also for all that. And yes, I have described all the chart and everything in detail. I will repeat the Nifty 50 level again. Important support 25,400 and then 25,000, and important resistance is of course all time high of 26,277. I have already made the Nifty bank levels video and the important inflation data, all thing. I will give the video in I button. You should go through with the levels of Nifty bank also. So that in next week you will be aware with the important level and support resistance. I'll give that link in I button. Please check that video also, and hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe the channel for regular stock market update, indices, levels update. Signing off.